Welcome back to TechnoSearch YouTube channel. So we have some news regarding Intel Core i9, which we already know the issues with this i9 4900K, 3900K and 13700K and 14700K variants, where it essentially uses too much power and then the game just says out of video memory and crashes. And yeah, it is just so that this CPU takes too much power out of it, and yeah, that's the reason why it's happening. And yeah, now the consumers are speaking about it, and essentially what they are doing is like in some country, maybe in Korea, they are going back, like they are giving their i9 3900K and 4900K back to Intel itself, and it's as high as 10. Yeah, it comes from ZDNet Korea, and yeah, and it reports by Digital Trends, and they are just giving back their Intel Core i9 variants and i7 variants back to Intel itself. And after, and it's not just like one or two, it's like 10 per day, like it's pretty high. Three companies are currently responsible for distributing customer support for Intel processors for desktop PC. A company official who requested anonymity. The consumers visiting customer center asking to change their 13 and 4900K, and it has increased to more than 10 per day, so it is insane to see. Next up, if you are using a GPU with RAM, you are having a problem with it. Essentially, the backplates of some of the GPUs, which was not from just from MSI but Gigabyte, along with it ASUS, there was spots on the backplate of it, and yeah, this backplate spots was because of the DRAM. Essentially, the RAM RGB was shining on it, and the ionized coating on it just got removed somehow. Maybe it's because of the UV light, and it's just not from just that Trident Z Zscaler Trident Z RAM, but also from Corsair RAM. Also, it's happening. So maybe it's a burnout issues happening because of the light or the RGBs. We don't know yet. We need more data regarding it. But if you are having a GPU, just go and check whether it's happening with your graphics card or not. But yeah, it's a weird thing to see because yeah, it's just being LEDs. How can it reflect the INS coating? Maybe the coating on it is pretty low quality, maybe because of that. But yeah, at this point, we don't know what's happening with these GPUs. But yeah, it's been posted on Reddit and yeah, everywhere else. So I will keep you updated regarding it. Next up, I already made a video where AMD has launched its Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7 processors, 8000 processors in China, and do note these are available only in China as of now, and it has been given to the consumers and not consumers but reviewers in China. And essentially, i5-8400F comes with 6 core 12 thread. Base clock is 4.2 gigahertz, and the boost is 4.75 gigahertz. And Ryzen 7 8700F is 8 core 16 thread part with base of 4.1 gigahertz and a boost of 5.05 gigahertz. So these are essentially a bit faster, but it doesn't comes with an iGPU. So keep that in mind. You require a dedicated graphics card to run these GPUs, and it's based on Hopcoin. Don't know why they launched these variants, but they are available in China as of now. And as soon as they are available in US or any other country, I will make a video on it. But essentially, they are going to come to later parts later down the year, because it this is something which happens with Ryzen, not Ryzen but RX 7900 GRE variant. So yeah, and these are the test results for Ryzen 7 8700F and 8400F. Overall, it looks pretty okay for me, but yeah, let's see how things turns out. I will keep you updated regarding it because Ra- Radeon RX 1700 GRE came to other global variants, global market also. So this might happen with this CPU also. And lastly for today, we have some news regarding RTX 50 series, and which aligns with Copilot 7 Chemist report that it's going to be launched soon. And Huida, it is basically Nvidia. It's not Nvidia, and it comes from Chinese thing. And because of the weird translation, it says Huida, but it's actually Nvidia. And it just says here, board partners and the manufacturers has confirmed that RTX 50 series will be launched in this latter half by the end of the year, which aligns with Copilot 7 Chemist report that tweet. where it says it is scheduled to be launched at the end of the year. So RTX 50 series is coming pretty soon, and yeah, at the end of the year we will get to see RTX 50 series, which is a nice thing to see. And let's just hope that we get more details regarding it. We will obviously get more details regarding it, but the price point should be pretty good, because it is going to be having an insane generation leap according to the claims by Nvidia. But yeah, that's it for me today. What do you think about the news? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.